Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this easy and tasty homemade pizza. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 3.5 cups of flour, which is approximately to 500 grams. 3 tablespoons of sugar, 300 milliliter of warm water, which is approximately to 1.5 cup, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil or any other oil, and lastly 1 teaspoon of salt. In a large bowl, start by adding 3 tablespoons of sugar. Then pour 1 cup of warm water and give a quick mix. Then add 1 tablespoon of yeast, then cover for at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin oil and give a quick mix. Then add some flour a bit by a bit while mixing using a spatula. Continue adding some flour a bit by a bit while mixing. If by any chance your flour is too dry, you can add a bit of water till you get a dough. Once you get a dough, knead the dough for approximately 10 minutes till the dough becomes super soft. Once the dough is soft, add some oil in the kneading bowl and put the dough back and make sure the dough is completely toasted with the oil. Afterwards, cover the dough with a plastic bag and a kitchen towel and place in a warm place for approximately 30 minutes to 1 hour. Meanwhile, we're going to make some pizza sauce. Ingredients: you're going to need 7 large tomatoes, 2 cups of water that we're going to use to boil the tomatoes, some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of oregano leaves, a half a teaspoon of basilicum leaves, 1 medium onion, 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter, ginger garlic paste approximately 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, and lastly 1 teaspoon of sugar, optional. In a medium heat, place a pot and add 2 cups of water and tomatoes and boil the tomatoes for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. We are boiling the tomatoes to make sure the outer skin of the tomatoes comes out easily, and after 5 minutes your tomatoes are ready and remove it from the fire and place aside. Afterwards, pour the water and peel the tomatoes and place them on a bowl. Remove the middle pits of the tomatoes and cut the tomatoes into small pieces as you can see in the video. Afterwards, you're going to divide the tomatoes into 2 portions. One of the portion you're going to blend it and the other one is just going to be like that. On a medium pan, place 1 tablespoon of extra virgin oil and 1 tablespoon of butter and let it heat up. Once the oil is hot, Add the onions and cook the onions till soft and golden brown. Once the onions start turning color, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and give a quick mix. Followed by the unblended tomatoes and the blended tomatoes and give a quick mix. Then add 1 teaspoon of sugar, optional, and half a teaspoon of salt and give a quick mix. Then I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of basilicum leaves and 1 teaspoon of oregano leaves. And I'm going to give a quick mix, then cover to let the sauce to cook on a medium heat. Once you get to see the sauce is becoming thick, add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce and give a quick mix and let the sauce to continue cook till thick and less. Once your sauce is well cooked and thick like this, then your sauce is ready. Remove it from the fire and place aside. So the next step, I'm going to show you how I bake my chicken. On a medium pan, add approximately 2 tablespoons of extra virgin oil and let the oil to heat up. Once the oil is hot, add some shredded boiled chicken and followed by 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and sprinkle a bit of salt to taste. And I'm going to add some extra spices, which is a half a teaspoon of rosemary leaves, a half a teaspoon of thyme leaves, and a half a teaspoon of basilicum leaves, and mix everything well and let the chicken to cook on a medium heat. Stir the chicken constantly so that the chicken can cook evenly to have a nice golden brown color. Once your chicken is well cooked like this, then your chicken is ready. Remove it from the fire and place aside. So after 1 hour, my dough has dried up as you can see in the video. I'm going to remove the dough from the bowl so I can able to divide the dough into 2 because I'm going to make 2 pizza. Place the dough on a working surface. Make sure you dust some flour on the working surface to prevent sticking. Then afterwards, divide the dough into 2. These are the toppings that I'm going to use for my pizza. I have some cooked chicken, some Emmental cheese, or you can use any cheese that you like, and I have some pizza sauce, some pineapples, chicken hams, chicken salami, and different types of bell pepper, or you can use any topping that you like. Using a pizza pan, I'm going to drizzle a bit of oil on top of the pan and I'm going to place a baking sheet at the top as you can see in the video. Afterwards, I'm going to drizzle a bit of semolina flour or you can use some corn flour. This is to prevent the pizza from sticking at the bottom. Afterwards, take the pizza dough. Using your hands, spread the pizza dough around the pan as you can see in the video. If you would like your pizza to have a border at the end, press it using your fingers as you can see in the video step by step. Once the pizza dough is nicely spread around, add some pizza sauce and spread it around evenly. You can add much or little, that's up to you. Afterwards, I'm going to add some cheese. I'm a fan of Emmental cheese. You can use mozzarella cheese or any cheese that you like, that's up to you. Then I'm going to add different types of bell pepper. I have some green, red and yellow. Not forgetting, I'm going to add some cooked chicken. Then afterwards, I'm going to add a bit of salami and a bit of pineapple. And lastly, I'm going to just garnish it with a bit of cheesy Emmentals on top. And my pizza is ready. Like, you guys, this pizza is going to be so lit. Afterwards, we're going to bake our pizza. If you're going to bake your pizza in a pan, cover the pizza and cook it in a low-medium heat for 20 to 25 minutes. And if you're going to bake the pizza in an oven, put it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, my pizza is ready. As you can see in the video, this looks so tasty. I'm going to cut a piece so you can able to see the inside of the pizza. Look how baked and tasty the pizza looks. This is so delicious. Serve along with a cold drink and enjoy your pizza. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.